looks like, guys. Isla! Quit barking at the camera. Good boy, Chewy. Yeah, they like it when I play jokes like that on them. Where I'm going a certain way and then I turn around and I run the opposite way. And they're like, oh, she's psyching us again. We're not going the way that we thought we were going. And they've all disappeared now. Good girl. Good boy. Good girl. Good job, guys. See, and this is like a new path because we haven't taken this one in ages. And I find every time we're on a new path, I swear I can feel an exuberant excess amount of energy than normal. Like they're just more excited. They're just like, oh, what's this new path? Oh, we haven't been here before. Right, guys? Yeah, either that or, I just make up stuff I just make up stories in my head. But yeah, I just find every time we're at a trail that we haven't been to on the regular, they're just more excited. Like Chewy. There goes Chewy. Either that or Chewy's just excited all the time when he's at the park. Good girl, Isla. Good job. Yeah. Good job, guys. Yeah, good job checking back. Yeah, good job. Look at that. What an amazing crew. Hey. They're like, yeah, we gotta check back because you're always changing directions and trails and paths on us. That's right, guys. Got to keep it fresh. Wow, that's a big guy. Hello, buddy. Hello there. Oh, this poor tree has seen better days. I think it's been peed on one too many times. Herchel. Oh, Herchel's outside already. Good boy, Herchel. Hello. Good job, guys. Over here. Over here. Come on. Over here. Good job. Yeah, that dog's on a leash, so we don't want to be disturbing them. Good girl. Look at that vibrant, beautiful fall color.